there, this is Ania Torres with Remax Vantage. I'm going to show you this brand new townhouse in St. Cloud, only a few miles away from Lake Nona, the Buggy Creek area. It's 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and it's beautiful. It's got a very nice paved patio area. So stay tuned and take a look and let me know what you think at the end of the video. Bye. Okay, this is a new townhome for sale here in St. Cloud, only a few miles away from the Lake Nona Buggy Creek area. It's a 3 bedroom, 2.5 bathrooms. What I love about this one is the corner. It's a corner unit. I love that it's got parking on the side. Some parking over here too. So it's got a nice porch in the front. Alrighty, let's go inside and show you. Again, brand new. Okay, another view of the entrance. I would say this would be kind of the formal living and dining. Okay, and then you have family room area and the kitchen area. Quartz countertops, beautiful white cabinets. Nice backsplash. Okie dokie, then you go to the laundry room, washing and dryer included. Again, brand new, so you don't, if you're in the market, rentals are really high. You don't have to wait for for a builder to build it for you. This is move-in ready. I love this backyard or patio. Sorry, it's all paved. I'll show you. Beautiful, and it's very spacious actually. And it's also fenced in. Got a little gate in the back, so you can come in through there from the side parking or from the garage. If you were to park in the back and you wanted to come this way, like if you had visitors coming in, they can come in this way if you were entertaining. Of course, regular, 2-car garage. Here's another view coming from the paved patio to the laundry. Kitchen. Oh, let me show you this pantry here. They actually have a lot of space. Ooh, look at this. Okie dokie, let me show you upstairs. Don't you just love the way a brand new place smells? It's like new cars. Love the smell. Alrighty, let's go upstairs. to the left, you have the master bedroom. Walk-in closet and nice shower. Quartz countertop, his and her vanities, white cabinets. Okay. And second bathroom. Okie dokie. This one is not gonna last again because it's brand new and the builders are taking a long time. So give me a call, 321-304-7160, 321-304-7160. Thank you. Annia Tours with Remax.